Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to change servers in Wuthering Waves step by step. Whether you want to play with friends in another region or fix connection issue is how you can do it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first open Wuthering Waves on your PC or mobile device. Wait for the game reach the login screen. Don't click start just yet. Log out if you are in the game. If you are already logged in, log out and return to the main title screen. Changing servers can only be done from the login screen, not from inside the game. So you just need to click the server selection button, like let's go over here, and from that place you just need to be logged in here. Let's off the music here, automatically play a music. So on the login screen, look at the server or region button. It is usually near your account name or under start button. You click it and you will see a list of available servers or regions like NA, UE, Asia, etc. Pick your new server. Select the server you want to switch to and confirm your choice. Keep in mind your progress do not carry over between servers. Each server has separate characters and data, and then log in and play. Once you have picked your new server, log in usually you will start fresh on the new server. So you may need to create a new character, and that's it. That's how you change servers in Wuthering Waves in 2025. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Wuthering Waves guides, and drop my questions in the comment below. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring.